2. Have you ever wondered what birds are saying to each other? We often hear them chirping, singing, and calling, but that's only half the story. Birds have a whole secret language that's completely silent, and it's happening right in front of our eyes. One of the most obvious ways birds communicate without sound is through their feathers. Think about the peacock. When he fans out that magnificent tail, he's not just showing off. He's sending a clear message to the ladies, saying, "Hey, look at me. I'm healthy, strong, and would make a great partner." Many male birds use bright, colorful plumage to attract mates and warn off rivals. It's like wearing your best outfit to make a great first impression. Bits. It's not just about flashy colors. Birds also use body language, just like we do. A bird might puff up its feathers to look bigger and more intimidating if it feels threatened. Or it might bow its head and droop its wings to show submission to a more dominant bird. Have you ever seen two robins facing off on a lawn? Watch closely. They'll perform little dances, hop around, and even stare each other down. This is a territorial dispute, a silent argument over who gets the best worms. Then there's the incredible world of aerial displays. Many birds, like eagles and hawks, perform breathtaking acrobatics in the sky. They'll dive, spiral, and lock talons in mid-air. These aren't just for fun, they are complex messages. These flights can be part of a courtship ritual, a way to strengthen the bond between a pair, or a dramatic way to defend their territory from intruders. It's a high-stakes conversation written in the sky. Even something as simple as preening, which is how birds clean their feathers, can be a form of communication. When one bird preens another, it's called allopreening. This is a sign of trust and affection, strengthening social bonds within a flock. It's the bird equivalent of a hug or a friendly pat on the back. It helps keep the peace and builds a strong, cooperative community. So, the next time you're out watching birds, pay attention to more than just their songs. Look at their colors, their posture, their movements, and their flights. You'll discover a silent, beautiful, and complex world of communication that's just as rich as any song you'll ever hear. There's a whole secret conversation happening, and now you know how to listen with your eyes. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing insights into the animal kingdom. See you next time.